was
Right,
just like laughing
this
my
is
head
my
off.
bike check. Start from the top. I've got NS Bike Co. Sam Pilgrim custom grips, lemon and lime. I got Salt headset and stem with Salt bars. Monster Energy sticker, 'cause it's cool. Salt forks. Well, We the People stickers on, because this is a We the People. Ellie Cat wheels with Salt hub. Salt frame with my name on it. And Turtle Beach and Apple sign. Salt sprocket, Salt pedals, and Ellie. And that's it. Oh, and my Pivotal arcade seat, which is really nice. So yeah, enjoy.
The hell you did crank you fucking Downy.
Yeah, that's what I meant.